lot of dudes who would hear the story and then
go.
And that, I just want to take a second to say, like, I'm sure I was that dude at some point in my life.
Yes, I have been that dude, and my natural impulse is still to be that. When you told me the story in my head, my first.
Pay attention. Yep, on the phone. Phone's more important. Why? Great parking. There's no one in there. I mean, look at this. Look at this bullshit. Yep, cut me off, as you do.
He's talking to me and he's flipping cars. He's in his 90s.
Lights.
His hand movements is so
Jesus
slow.
Christ.
And I'm almost mesmerized by what he's doing with car tricks.
The movie now has 3 minutes to establish and resolve a plot. I'm certain that won't happen. Then he goes to the cemetery to talk to his dead wife.
Very good. In the bike lane.
So I reserve judgment on that. But to me, I love kind of coming back to that. This 18-wheel
bike lane is for cars.
To me is
Nice parking.
inspired.
Many months later.
Now finally we have to talk tunnels.
Oh, hell
In
yeah.
2005, drug smugglers in Canada began work on a tunnel.
Somebody did
to
my
connect a
idea.
greenhouse in British Columbia to a house in
Good,
Washington.
good.
Authorities on both sides figured
Protect
out
that
something
bike
was
lane.
up and installed cameras and mics in and around the construction.
What are you doing?
This is where Phil comes in. Phil is going to be the best friend character. He basically comes in
Good
and
job.
says, hey man, I'm the best friend character. Should we be walking outdoors with coffee in the next scene? And Nick Cage is like, sure. Yeah, he plays the same.
Traffic goes that way. Good job, idiot. What do you have to do with this situation? Nothing.
Editing for most of the time. That's one of the times I was
FedEx truck is completely blocking that lane.
Never. It took like an hour and it was terrible. But
Jesus.
Peanut butter sandwich. Yeah.
Load zone right here.
I get a call and I see it's a 916 number, which is the area code where I live. And I was like, I guess I'll answer this. Just even though I'm in
Space
a
right
different country,
there.
I think cell phones, it doesn't matter now. I was like, all right, I'll answer it, whatever. And the person on the phone says, hi, yeah,
Great job, FedEx.
Arlo had some yeah, he's not doing well. He was
This food, as opposed to like eating food, you know, like we're on a scale of 1 to eating food.
Ooh, all right, on a scale of 1 to eating poop. Well, if you love the short shorts and white man fros of the 1980s, but there's not enough meaner-neenering in advance of literally every living human in the film being wrong. You will love this movie. It's the Vax 2 of 1980s apocalypse.
Oh.
Everybody.
Right, I was like a call forward.
I'm gonna put it right there at a 5.
Oh my god.
All right, so
Why are we so slow at this?
Be the best and be the worst at?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Take turns at the same time going parallel to you.
So nothing will ever eclipse.
Take your money and then turn around and give it to a religion that is not your, that is government.
Wrong way!
And the 5 other conservatives. And I have to say, sexual abuse issues within the FCC with the appropriate staff and funding for it, compensating survivors, eliminating non-disclosure agreements when it comes to settling sex abuse cases, like, let the victims talk. So again, the question is, those are the recommendations. What will the SBC actually
Can I ask, those are the recommendations for what?
What do you mean?
They give
No, that's the nature of the report. They have no authority to do anything per se. They're saying our
So
job
no, this
was
is public
to,
information. You can do with it what you want,
Yes.
and what they're going to do is
that's what we're gonna find out soon.
nothing.
That's
I mean,
what
it's the answer.
What do I need to do? Let's improve my performance.
Yeah, but some people have emotions and aren't robots.
Oh, I have emotions.
Wait.
This is why Thomas doesn't want to talk about sex. 'Cause he
Why
was
is there a car
naturally
parked
good at
on the
it
sidewalk?
First time. This is your interviewer skill all over
I
again.
don't.
Why?
I'm not trying to do a bit. I'm lost. I don't know what's happening.
That doesn't sound not like you. That doesn't sound.
Look at that.
Again, knowing that
Look at that.
are
Unreal.
He is barely my assholes.
about part of where that comes from. And I don't think that Eli's wrong. I'm just saying, I think that's actually a really minority view. I think that the desire to not be
Straight from the left turn only lane.
knee-jerk reactionism to protect other men is a minority and actually charitable view. I think that the majority of where it comes from is men are trying to implicitly and explicitly
Not coming.
concept all times they're
The lady facing a lion and whatever. Pour out some bowls.
And there's a dragon in it.
Yeah. Krakens.
Yeah.
Eat some poop.
That's in the Bible too. Yeah.
It's in the Bible.
Yep.
The book of Ezekiel.
I can understand why you think that was an Eli Bosnick original, but that one is.
What? The actual fuck?
And Eli, how bad was this movie?
What the
As
fuck?
opposed to like eating food, like on a scale of 1 to
Are you
eating
completely blind?
Ooh, all right, on a scale of 1 to eating poop. Well, if you love.
At this point also could use some explanation.
That was a very red light. It's like the 4th time that's happened to me today. Gotta beat that light just to get to the next one.
Thank you, Lucinda. And in circuit shitty news, in a 2-1 vote for the Free Judge category,
What the fuck?
Miss United States of America.
Jesus. Not even close. one way to parallel park. That's how to do it incorrectly. Good job. I'll gladly give people space to parallel park. Just got to indicate it correctly. Perfect temperature. No complaints. We're going to
smell you.
Why? No. This happens all the time. Yep, people do it anyway.
That is crazy. They just throw trash away.
Yep.
That's crazy.
If you weren't in my car, I would have sat there. I would have been like, I'll wait.
Boys Club, real.
Yeah.
Like, it is, this man is slimy as fuck.
His reaction is so violently emotional, I thought he was about to be appointed a Supreme Court justice.
Woo! Does he like beer, though?
And then his scene ends.
What are you doing? Where are you trying to go?
I love it so much. He's like, hey, just so you know, she has value. She actually works with people. You.
Spank you, Greenwall. Spank you very much.
Nice road. Seattle at its finest. Look out! Wow. Oh, it was already on emergency. Alright. They liked what I said and then said thank you. So I said, you're very welcome. Oh, there you're going. Oh, check their food. Jesus fucking Christ. Not right now. Oh, we got a green light. Watch out! Why is he not going? He had time. You don't now, dude. It's red. You're not gonna be able to see around him, though, is the problem. No, I'm just moving out of the way. Oh, it's red, dude. Okay, stop. Dude, it's red! Uh-oh. Good job. Lock the door. Lock the door. Look out, man! I didn't have it. There we go. Trying to go through a red light. We're trying to keep you from getting in an accident, asshole. Jeez. Sorry, that was a must. It was to keep my family safe. I got good reaction both ways. I got you.